Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you're just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I did my distressed butterfly locks, and this is the extension I used as my anchor, the expression kinky M. It looks like a Mali hair, so you can use any type of extension that looks like Mali hair. And this Dali hair I'm showing you guys is the hair that I actually used to wrap around my ankle. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. What I'm trying to say is that the Dali hair is the hair that I used to wrap my expression kingy hair. Yeah, it is kinky, not kinky. Yeah. So instead of using a rubber band or using a crochet hook, I actually braided my hair with the Mali hair, and I braided it up to where my hair ends. So after doing 2 braids, I decided to finish off with these 2 and wash off my face, because you guys know I don't wear makeup to do my hair tutorials, apart from if I want to show you guys the hand products. But I actually filmed a video this particular day, and it was really late at night when I was making this video. So I decided to finish off with these 2 and go off camera to wash off my makeup, because I don't want to wait for too long to wash off my makeup and to do the rest of the braids off camera, and then come back to show you guys how to actually do the butterfly locks. So this is the first one I'm doing, and my hands were blocking the camera. That was why I had to cut that place out. But you guys see what I'm doing here. I'm wrapping the roots tightly, but not too tight, because I don't want my edges to break off, so one has to be careful. I fluffed the Dali hair out, then I started wrapping it around the braided hair. After securing the roots, I'll just start doing it roughly using my thumb to take out some hair randomly. So that was basically what I did. I also showed how I did my ends in another clip. You guys will get to see everything. So I think this is a clearer view of what I was doing. So I'm just wrapping it around and using my thumb to take some hair out, wrapping it very, very loosely, like nothing too serious. You don't have to be serious with this hair, even if you don't know how to make hair. I think everybody can make this style. Very simple and easy. Just wrapping it loosely and throwing it in, using your thumb to bring out some hair to make it very, very rough. So yeah, so when I got to the end, I just continued wrapping it loosely like that and using my thumb to bring out some hair to give it that, you know, rough look. And then when I got to the tip, I'll just continue wrapping upwards, and that was how I secured my hair. So this is the hair when I was done. Very, very light and movable. I didn't make it too tight, so it's not stiff at all. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share my video with family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I do